Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Planet Coaster to game, FPS stop, shuttering or the lagging problem. Guys, first make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager, and here simply go to the startup application, and here simply disable all the background application that are useless, because when you start your PC these applications start automatically and causing your game FPS stop problem or the shuttering problem or the lagging issues. Guys, first make right click on all of these that are useless and just disable all of these. After that, restart your PC, launch the game, check problem is fixed. If your problem is not fixed, then just go to your Windows set, type here the graphic settings, and once you type the graphic setting, it will appear on the top. Open it, then just click on the Planet Coaster to game, click on that, click on the option, select it to the high performance to add the game, click on the browse option, and here simply locate your game launcher. So first go to your game installation folder, then select your game launcher or exe file of your game, click on the add and select it to the high performance. Then completely close the game, then launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just open up the Steam, click on the Planet Coaster to game, click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now here just uncheck the box of Steam overlay, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then simply update your graphic card drivers or update your Windows. Once you update your graphic card drivers or Windows, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. This will definitely fix your problem. And if your problem is fixed after this solution, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.